Now we're actually going to find some probabilities of mutually exclusive events. So remember, these are events that cannot happen at the same time. And so if they cannot happen at the same time, they would look something like this in terms of a picture. Here would be the probability of my first event, and here would be the probability of my second event. If I want to find the probability of these two things where I'm dealing with the union of them, in other words, or, I'm going to find the probability of my first event, find the probability of my second event, and then add them together. So an example of this person makes a playlist that consists of songs from 3 different albums by his favorite artist. If he lets his digital media player select songs from this list at random, what is the probability that the first song played is from album 1 or album 2? So let's first find the probability of album 1. In album 1, there are 10 songs. Over, we need to know the total number of songs, which in this case is 35. And then from album 2, we know that there are 12 songs out of 35. You just add these numbers together to get the 35. And remember, since we're dealing with the union, we're going to add them. 10 plus 12 is going to get us 22 over 35. You'd want to check to see if that reduces. It does not, so we're going to keep it that way. We'll do one more down here at the bottom. Let's do this carnival game one. If you win the ring toss game at a certain carnival, you receive a stuffed animal. If the stuffed animal is selected at random from among 15 puppies, 16 kittens, 14 frogs, 25 snakes, and 10 unicorns, what is the probability that a winner receives a puppy, a kitten, or a unicorn? So starting with a puppy, there are 15 puppies out of, we need to figure out the total number in here. So 15 plus 16 plus 14 plus 25 plus 10. All of that is going to get you 80 different stuffed animals. Plus, next to kitten, there are 16 kittens, still over 80 total. Plus, now a unicorn, there are 10 unicorns over still 80. Add them all together, you would get 41 different options over a total of 80.